Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As a member of the Safe Climate Caucus, I want to urge my colleagues not to bury their heads in the sand. Wake up. Climate change is real, and it's already affecting the Earth in profound ways. The scientific consensus is clear. Human activity is causing our planet to warm to dangerous levels. Scientists agree that higher temperatures are raising sea levels and driving severe weather patterns that threaten our economy and our way of life. Unpredictable and destructive weather patterns are making it harder for farmers to grow crops, while rising sea levels threaten our coastal cities and beaches from sea to shining sea. Here in Congress, the majority refuses to even acknowledge that we have a problem, while the rest of the world seems to understand that it's the moral imperative of our time. I urge my colleagues to put politics aside, listen to the science, and come together and begin to help prevent the worst effects of climate change. And I yield back.